Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com.
iShuffle, improving Hadoop performance with Shuffle on Write. Abstract. Here we are performing Hadoop scheduling framework with time efficiency, and job file creation also performed here for the security. On clustering, there will be a map reduce for the reduce of the file size, and the security is encryption of a file when a file is transforming. Scheduling is job file creation and assigning the priorities to the job files. Data queue is performed when the process gets workload. It is the process of storing the data into another server based on the capacity. We propose a decouple shuffle from reduce task and convert it into a platform service. We present iShuffle, a user transparent shuffle service that actively pushes mapboard data to nodes via novel shuffle on write operation, and flexibility schedules reduce tasks considering workload balance. Hadoop clusters are performed in that is multi-tenant. This is a flow diagram. First one is load data. This model is used for upload data to process the iShuffling with a data mining process. The uploaded file will be stored in a database based on the attributes. Next one is cluster data. Clustering is the grouping of a particular set of objects based on their characteristics, aggregating them according to their similarities. Regarding to data mining, this methodology partitions the data implementing a specific join algorithm most suitable for the desired information analysis. In this, we cluster our data based on the country. Every country details will store in a different cluster. Then job files. Here cluster data are considered as job files. Each job file contains set of data value based on the cluster data. Next, MapReduce. MapReduce is a heart of Apache Hadoop. It is programming paradigm that allows for massive scalability across hundreds of thousands of servers in Hadoop cluster. MapReduce is a partition combine and data compression for huge amount of data storage. Then partition combine. Partition combine is the job file will be combined and stored into the server by the client. And shuffling and data queue. It is a shuffling and reduce of workload. That is, if the file contains more workload, that will be stored into another server. If the server contains not enough space, then server storage. It is finally allocating file to server based on the workload. Now I'm going to run this. This is a home page. iShuffle, improving Hadoop performance with shuffle on write. Click on the image. Load data set. Click on browse. Choose dataset OK. Select your dataset, which dataset you want to proceed. Open. This is your dataset. Then next, the dataset value will be stored in a server. Then next we are going to perform clustering. Click on cluster. OK. Then select the country value. Based on the country value, it will be clustered. OK. Then insert the value. Based on the country value, the value will be inserted to the database. Then again choose another country. OK. Then insert. Clustering will be finished. Then next, view a job file. This is your job file. We have 5 job files here with, and also we have size of the job files. Then select your job 1 and send. It will be moved to the scheduler. Run scheduler and receive. you what you have sent here you can receive the file. Then OK, then select another and send and receive. OK, send. Here receive the file. Receive. Totally you have received 5 job files. View the job files here and shuffle. Based on the size it shuffles here. Then select one job file and send. Then run server. You can receive file here and get the file size. Based on the file size it will be stored into the another cloud. We can give the condition here. Then select cloud, then upload. Your upload data will be stored into the cloud, and select another job and run server. Receive the file here and get the size here, and select the cloud to store your data set and upload. Okay, and select another job, receive here and get size, get another cloud, upload your data. It is the acknowledgement. Now you can view your data. It is the data what you have uploaded. You have two here because we have sent two data in cloud 3. Okay, thank you.